Welcome back to another delicious recipe from Oyo Ndoke's kitchen. Today I'm making party-sized vegetable soup and these are my ingredients. For my choice of protein, I'll be cooking with cow leg, beef honeycomb, beef mountain chain, some shrimps. I'll be cooking with goat meat, oxtail, some stockfish and dry fish. Now I'm adding stockfish into the pot and I'm adding as well abafroma. The fish is very dry. That's why I'm cooking it with pressure pot. I'm going to add the rest of the protein into the pot. Thank you guys for watching my video today. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share and leave us your comment. For this size of protein, I'll be cooking with 1 cup of water. Reason being that the pressure pot retains water. So I'll be adding some salt to taste, and I added some bouillon cube as well and 1 scotch bonnet pepper, and I'll be cooking this for 20 to 25 minutes. For my choice of vegetables, we don't have fresh ugu where I live, so feel free to use fresh ugu water leaf for your vegetables. This is the closest we can get to ugu in my location. And I'll be adding some spinach as well. I'm using baby spinach, which I'll be cutting off camera. Now let's get cooking. So I'm adding dry fish into the pot. I added a little water to cook it for a minute or two. My protein is done, so I'm getting the stock fish, the cow leg into the pot, and I'm gonna simmer for a minute before adding the rest of the protein. Haven't done that, I added the rest of the protein. So if you notice, I added the stock before adding the rest of the protein. So we are going to stir nicely to combine and allow to simmer. After a minute or two, we are adding now ground oporo and some scotch bonnet pepper. Oporo is dry prawns or large crayfish. Next is our palm oil. So we are making vegetable soup. Don't be shy in adding palm oil. We are now stirring nicely to combine. We are going to allow to simmer. After a few minutes, you can see our soup base is ready. Let's add our vegetables. The first to go in will be our okazi. Reason being that our okazi is dry okazi. So we want to get it in now because the rest of the vegetables do not need long cooking time. So for you to get the right texture for the okazi, please use blender to blend it or use mortar and pestle to pound the okazi. You get a better tasting vegetable soup. After steaming for about a minute, we are now adding shrimps, which is prawn. We're adding shrimps and I'm also adding more protein. So I have small snails and periwinkles. These are dry snails and periwinkles, but they are fully cooked. So we got everything into the pot. We are now stirring nicely to combine. The next thing will be the remaining of our oporo and scotch bonnet pepper, which is the dry prawn. We are going to stir nicely at this time to combine. Check out the process and the steps, and this will be a perfect combination when you try this recipe. Now let's get the remaining vegetables into the pot. We are starting with yon chon some vegetable. I hope I got the pronunciation right. So we are now going to stir nicely to combine to give room for more vegetables. We simmer this for half a minute. The next will be our spinach. We are using baby spinach, so it doesn't take long to cook, and we're adding it at this point. Let me know where you're watching me from. Thank you for clicking to watch this video. This pot is a very large pot. It's actually 11 quarts. So this is the kind you can take for naming ceremony or, when you want to support your friend in a party. This is a good size of vegetable soup. And guys, it tasted so delicious. So guys, at this point, if you want to add more palm oil, feel free to do that. But for me, the size of palm oil I added is just right for me. I added some bouillon cube to adjust my taste, and I tell you, this is made in heaven. Okay, So we are going to allow to simmer for a minute or two. And I tell you guys, this vegetable soup is done here. You can see we have the right amount of juice, right amount of vegetable, and right amount of protein. Everything is in order. Let me know if you'll be trying this recipe. Thank you for watching and leave me your nice comment in the comment section. Don't forget to follow my page and don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you all. Bye.